windy day. I wanted to find out if the Cinelog25 can handle it. And, more importantly, can it dive? Let's dive!
We have liftoff. It seems to be going nice and smooth. I tried to tune this for Beta Fight 4.3. I can't seem to get a smooth tune out of it. It's shaky. But we're gonna go and we're gonna dive. And it's gonna help us feel alive.
What are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!
We're ascending, and I'm starting to feel the wind. It's as if it's pushing me down and stopping me from climbing. I'm starting to try full throttling, and it's basically not doing anything. The wind is pushing me away, and it's saying, no. No diving today. So now, I'm just going to try and make it back home safely, so that I still have a drone, because I don't wish to lose any more.